Today I'm ready for some cool, healthy sweets, so we'll do some candy. Previous time we done some candy from coconut flour, and now we'll use dried dates. Actually, I think it's easiest way to do some candies. Only the thing, you need to take seeds off. Basically, you can use a lot of different kinds of dried fruits, but in my opinion, the dates they have a quite natural taste, and it's more easy for create your candies. Well, today we'll do some chocolate candies. Really simple. You can put it in a blender, or you can use some other wonderful tools what you have in your kitchen, and you can mix it up. In case if your theirs is too dry, so probably you'll need add a little bit of water. Also you can add a little bit of lime juice, like really. Or if you have not enough good fat, you can add a little bit of coconut oil, let's say. This one is really soft, I would say even juicy, so we don't need anything. We'll mix it up with the chocolate powder, approximately on 50-50. Actually, chocolate powder will be a little bit less. So let's say if it will be 100 grams of dried berries, it will be another 100 grams or a little bit less of chocolate powder. If you have coconut powder, it will be cool added as well, so you can mix it approximately in equal proportion. And then the hardest things, you need to mix it up, and then you can create your own candies. That's it. Yeah. Also what we have a fruit salad and cottage cheese. But this time I pressed it on over the night and it's like super dry. So I would say it's not possible to eat it just in a straight way, but we can add some yogurt, or we have a natural double cream. And yeah, if it's not sweet for you, you can add a little bit of honey. Also, we have a different kind of nuts, so you can break it up. You can add it to your candies. Also, you can add it to your cottage cheese as well. So for now, it's almost pure protein. So add some double cream, a little bit of good fat. Now mix it up, so it will be possible to eat. And yeah, some bananas. It will be good for it. So if you eat in the normal way, the cottage cheese every day, so it's nothing special for you, but you'll add a little bit of fruits, a little bit of honey, and it became some really cool dessert. So when you mix it up, let's say with the bananas, can give a banana flavor, or mango can give a mango flavor, or I don't know what other available fruits or berries you have, let's say blueberries. So it will be cottage cheese with a blueberry raspberry taste. And actually every day you can have a really cool source of protein with a new taste, what basically I do. Because if you eat some food literally like same every day, you get tired from it. And if you're on diet, yes, you eat same food every day. It's cottage cheese, eggs, oats, and so on. So you can make a little bit experiments, a little bit of imagination, and bam, you have pretty cool meals on your kitchen. And also you can impress your friends, or maybe you can impress your girlfriend, wife, whatever. So basically it's really easy suggestion how make your friends love you a lot. You cook for them just one time, that's it. They will fall in love with you for the rest of the day. For cook the cottage cheese, it's only long process for the preparation for make the cottage cheese. For make it less than 5 minutes. Same about their candies. Well, if you're super quick, you can make it in 5 minutes. But I think for mix it up and make everything nice, might take a little bit longer. But I try to be in time because we want to eat healthy, we want to eat tasty, and we don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, right? Okay. I try to make it manually today. Let's see how this works. Make your blender a little bit rest. Alright, small update. Basically I tried to do it manually. It wasn't that easy. So I put it in a blender. But actually it was too dry, so I add a little bit of water, about 10-20 milliliter water and 10-20 milliliter of coconut oil. It's really little. If it's not really, yeah, and I added sesame seeds as well. If it's too dry, well, you can add a little bit of honey or maybe some double cream or butter, whatever, to make it to one mass like that. So here is 250 grams of theirs and 250 grams of chocolate powder, little bit of water and oils. You can make your own experiment. You can add a little bit of lime juice or whatever, and that's it. So when it became to one mass, you can create super tasty and healthy candies from it. But it's a little bit sticky, so you need to put it in a coconut powder, or you can use some powder from seeds. I explained how to make it in another video, so from pumpkin seeds or maybe from sunflower seeds or maybe powder from nuts. You can put it in the flour and bam, it's ready. So basically don't limit yourself, you can add a lot of different kind of ingredients to your candies, any kind of seeds, nut flour, whatever. That's it. Now it's not sticky. So it can be any flour from any nuts or seeds. But I think coconut flour is the best. Also you can put it in chocolate powder, or it can be milk powder, but milk powder might get quite sticky as well. As experiment, I add also full cream powder, and also when it was like, let's say, too wet, even add a protein powder. So probably I try to add protein powder almost everywhere. So it's really up to you what size of candy you want to make. You can make it really big. Smaller can be in triangles, rectangular, cubes. It's really like up to your imagination. And yeah, it's quite quick and easy, and when you try it, and yeah, it's healthy and you cannot eat it much compared to other fast carbs, what is really dangerous. Well, so we're almost done. You got the idea how to make it. You can make it in your own way, the 100th way of to do so. Also you can use a lot of different kind of dried fruits for it. I make it like in very simple way, and also depend what have you on the market nearby, and hopefully it's not genetic modified and without any preservatives and so on. So basically with dry mango and dry bananas, well, it tastes awesome as well. Maybe I'll make some other video about similar candies with other kind of dry fruits if you want to. So if you don't like it, yeah, don't subscribe. And if you do, thank you for your support. And I'll see you soon, probably tomorrow. If not in my kitchen, in the gym.